Hello, learners. This is Dr. Chandrakala Diali, Senior Assistant Professor from Amity University. Today, I'm going to teach you Jainism and social work. I'm going to take you through introduction, philosophy, and principle of Jainism, core social work values in Jainism, Jainism's historical engagement with social issues, contemporary relevance of Jainism to social work, Jain institution and community-based social work, conclusion and references. Religion's role in Indian social welfare. Religion has historically played a foundational role in shaping the values, ethics, and practices of social welfare in India. Rooted in a rich tapestry of spiritual tradition, social work in the Indian context has been deeply intertwined with religious doctrine that emphasize compassion, service, and the upliftment of the marginalized. Ancient Indian scriptures such as Bhagavad Gita, Manusmriti highlight the importance of seva, selfless service, and dharma, duty, towards the welfare of society, being written by Sharma 2001. Religious institutions like temples, mosques, churches, and gurudwaras have functioned not only as spiritual centers but also as hubs of social assistance, offering food, education, healthcare, and support for the needy. Being written by Pathak 2015. Moreover, figures such as Mahatma Gandhi integrated religious idea with social reform, demonstrating how faith-based principle could address issues like poverty, untouchability, and inequality, being written by Chatterjee 2015. In contemporary India, while professional social work has evolved as a secular discipline, the influence of religious values continues to be significant, especially in grassroots level interventions and community development initiatives. Understanding the symbiotic relationship between religion and social work is thus crucial for appreciating the culturally grounded and spiritually informed approaches to welfare in India. Now, it's a brief synopsis I'm presenting on Jainism, students, an ancient path to social work. Jainism, one of the India's oldest religions, have profoundly contributed to the ethical and moral fabric of Indian society. Although Jain communities are spread across the country, their presence is most prominent in the western states such as Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. The region is believed to have originated among the Kshatriya members of the Gana Sanghas, a socio-political grouping that emphasized collective decision-making and non-authoritarian governance. Historically, Jainism evolved as a heterodox tradition that questioned and rejected the authority of the Vedas, Brahmanic ritualism, and rigid caste hierarchies. Instead, it offered a path rooted in personal discipline, renunciation, and ethical conduct. Jain monks, bhikkhus, led ascetic lives, symbolizing their detachment from worldly possession and commitment to spiritual upliftment. Compassion, emphasizing empathy and kindness towards all living beings. Selfless service, promoting action for the welfare of society without expectation of reward. They even work on environmental care, students, fostering respect for nature and sustainable living practices, which is very important in today's world. The teachings of Jainism are deeply aligned with the foundational principle of social work. The religion emphasizes the values of compassion, truth, non-possessiveness, aparigraha, and above all, ahimsa or non-violence. The core principle has not only shaped Jain ethics, but has also influenced broader socio-political movements, including those led by Mahatma Gandhi, our father of the nation. This unit explores the historical development of Jainism and highlights its philosophical and ethical values that resonate with the objective of social work. By emphasizing non-violence, service to others, environmental consciousness, and human dignity, Jainism presents a spiritual framework that complement and strengthen the moral base of social work as a profession. In summary, Jainism contributes a unique ethical vision to social welfare, offering time-tested values that advocate peaceful coexistence, altruism, and profound respect for all forms of life. Principles that continue to inspire and guide social work practice in India. Jainism and social work, how it is connected. Students, let us understand now. Jainism, one of the most ancient religious traditions of India, is notably not only for its spiritual depth, but also for its strong ethical orientation towards social responsibilities. Rooted in non-violence, ahimsa, truth, satya, non-possessiveness, aparigraha, celibacy, brahmacharya, and non-stealing, asteya. Jainism promotes a vision of life that aligns closely with the values and goals of modern social work. Zaini, 1979. This unit explored the intricate relationship between Jain philosophy and social work by examining the ethical foundation, historical practices, and current manifestations of Jain engagement with social welfare. Jain's core principles provide a robust ethical foundation for social work practices. Ahimsa, extending beyond physical nonviolence to mental and verbal non-harm, supports conflict resolution and compassionate service. Anekantavadas encourages openness to diverse perspectives crucial for respecting cultural pluralism. Anekantavada encourages openness to diverse perspectives crucial for respecting cultural pluralism. Aparigraha discourages wealth accumulation, promoting equitable resource distribution, aligning with social justice and anti-poverty initiatives. The concept of karma and liberation motivates selfless service, seva, that is, integral to self-purification and social welfare. Objectives of Jainism and social work. Let us now understand what is the objectives of Jainism social work. The foundational philosophical tenets. To examine the foundational philosophical tenets of Jainism that contribute to the development of ethical values relevant to social work practice. Identify core principle of Jainism. To identify the core principle of Jainism such as ahimsa, non-violence, aparigraha, non-possession, and anekantavada, pluralism, and analyze their application to social justice and human welfare. Explore historical role of Jainism in addressing social issues. To explore the historical role of Jainism in addressing social issues, including poverty, inequality, animal welfare, and environmental sustainability. Investigate influence of religious teaching and community practices. To investigate how Jain religious teaching and community practices have influenced traditional and contemporary models of social service in India. Assess relevance of Jain ethical ideals. To assess the relevance of Jain ethical ideals in modern day professional social work, particularly in relation to compassion, self-discipline, and service to marginalized groups. Document case studies or community initiatives. To document case studies or community initiatives where Jain organization or individuals have contributed to social welfare and reform movements. Crucially, evaluate integration of Jain values into secular social work frameworks. To critically evaluate the integration of Jain values into secular social work frameworks, highlighting potential areas for interdisciplinary collaboration and culturally sensitive practice. Now, let us go to Jainism's core social work values, students. Jainism deeply aligns with key social work values. It upholds the dignity and worth of every individual, extending relevance to all life forms, including plants and microorganisms. This resonates with the inherent human dignity principle in social work. The concept of dharma in Jainism emphasizes ethical living and fulfilling social responsibilities, mirroring a social worker's commitment to community well-being. Historically, Jain monks and scriptures have advocated for equality and justice, opposing caste discrimination and promoting animal rights and ecological balance. The principle of Jainism promotes not only individual liberation, but also collective welfare. Jain thinkers and practitioners, both historical and in contemporary times, have engaged with various social issues such as poverty, inequality, environmental degradation, and animal cruelty, emphasizing service to all living beings without discriminations. Temple, monastic orders, and community organizations inspired by Jain teaching have actively contributed to social welfare, offering education, healthcare, shelter, and humanitarian aid. To explore how Jain values and ideas translate into practical approaches to social work, we will examine how Jainism inspires a unique model of socially engaged spirituality, one that is deeply relevant in today's world of increasing social and ethical challenges. Philosophy and principle of Jainism. Ahimsa, that is non-violence. Ahimsa is the cornerstone of Jain ethics. It extends beyond physical non-violence to encompass mental, verbal, and emotional non-harm. In social work, these principles support conflict resolution, peace building, and compassionate service, being written by Dundas in 2002. One who cultivates an attitude of non-injury, who is vigilant in all action, and who avoids harming even the tiniest life form, is a true practitioner of religion. Akarya Sutra. Anikantavada, pluralism or multiplicity of viewpoints. This doctrine encourages openness to diverse perspective, an essential value in modern social work, where practitioners must respect cultural and ideological pluralism. Balsi Roes in 2001. Aparigriha, non-possessiveness. Aparigriha discourages accumulation of wealth and promotes equitable distribution of resources, values that resonate deeply with social justice movement and anti-poverty initiative, being written by Shah, 2004. Karma and liberation moksha. According to Jain cosmology, every action leaves karmic residue. Therefore, ethical living and service to others are crucial to self-purification. This belief motivates individuals to perform seva, selfless service, integral to social work. Jaini, 1979. Core social work values in Jainism. So let us go through what are the core social work values in Jainism, students. Dignity and worth of the individual. Jainism holds all life sacred, including plants and microorganisms. This relevance aligns with the social work principle of inherent human dignity, being written by Pathak in 2015. Social responsibility and duty. The concept of dharma in Jainism emphasizes ethical living and fulfilling one's responsibilities towards society, similar to the social workers' commitment to community well-being. Equality and justice. Jain monks and scriptures have historically opposed caste discrimination and promoted vegetarianism, animal rights, and ecological balance, key justice-related concerns. A chapel, that is in 1993. Jainism historical engagement with social issues. Social reform movement. Jain reformers such as Vichand Gandhi between 1864 to 1901 and Acharya Tulsi from 1914 to 1997 worked towards eradicating caste barriers and promoting education, women's empowerment and non-violence. Frugal in 2006. Charity and alms giving dana, that is, the Jain tradition of Annadana, offering food, Janan Dana, offering knowledge, and Abhay Dana, offering protection. Parallel social work interventions such as feeding program, education outreach, and advocacy for the vulnerable, written by Saha in 2004. Environmental ethics. Jainism promotes environmental stewardship through concepts like Bhuta Daya, compassion for all beings, and minimal consumption. These values align with the ecological focus of community development practices, Chapel in 2002. Historical role of Jainism in addressing social issues. What are the social issues? Let us go through, students. Poverty, to explore the historical role of Jainism in addressing social issues, including poverty. Inequality, to explore the historical role of Jainism in addressing social issues, including inequality. Animal welfare, to explore the historical role of Jainism in addressing social issues, including animal welfare. Environmental sustainability, to explore the historical role of Jainism in addressing social issues, including environmental sustainability. Contemporary relevance of Jainism to social work, ethical foundation for practice. Jain values provide a strong moral compass for ethical decision-making, especially in areas such as social justice, client autonomy, and non-discrimination. Mental health and non-violent communication. The Jain focuses on inner peace, meditation, samayika, and non-violent dialogue is increasingly relevant in trauma-informed and peace-building social work modules, being written by Laidlaw in 1995. Minimalism and sustainable living. Aparigraha encourages reduced consumption, aligning with Global Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, and poverty alleviation frameworks. Jain institution and community-based social work. Role of Jain temples and monasteries. Jain religious institutions often serve as center for free education, food distribution, healthcare, and shelter. Many also support orphanages and old age homes. Notable Jain NGOs and initiatives, organizations like Virayatan, Tira Panth, Mahila Mandal, and Ahimsa Foundation works on education, disaster relief, women's empowerment, and animal welfare. Tera Panth Sabha Report 2020. Community participation and volunteerism. Jains are actively involved in philanthropic work through self-organized networks and local association, reflecting the principle of Loka Sangraha, welfare of all beings. Jain institution and community work. Jain religious institutions, including temples and monasteries, serve as vital center for community-based social work. They often provide free education, food distribution, healthcare and shelter, and support orphanages and old age homes. Notable Jain NGOs like Virayatan, Tera Panth, Mahila Mandal, and Ahimsa Foundation actively engage in education, disaster relief, women's empowerment, and animal welfare. Jain also participate in philanthropic work through self-organized network, reflecting the principle of Loka Sangraha, welfare of all beings. Temples and monasteries, Center for Free Education, Food, Health, and Shelter. Notable NGOs, Virayatan, Tera Panth, Mahila Mandal, Ahimsa Foundation in various social sectors. Community participation, active philanthropic work through self-organized networks and local associations. Now I would like to conclude Jainism enduring impact. Jainism offers a timeless and deeply ethical framework that powerfully resonates with social work ideals. It emphasizes on non-violence, justice, equality, and compassion, not only informs about but enriches the practice of social work in both traditional and modern contexts. As India faces growing social economic disparities and environmental crises, revisiting Jain values provides a spiritually grounded, culturally rooted, and ethically consistent path towards holistic social development. Jainism continues to inspire and guide social work practice in India, advocating for peaceful coexistence, altruism, and profound respect for all life forms. First one is they emphasize on is non-violence, that is ahimsa, as the cornerstone of ethical practice. Second, they focus on is justice and equality, promoting fairness and dignity for all life, compassion, empathy, and service to the marginalized. So students, I have given you few references from where I have referred while I prepared for your topic. So thank you from my end. Hope you are enriched by my lecture. Thank you.